So you've decided to build your own shower. Congratulations, way to be self-sufficient. And now it's time to add a niche, a shower niche. What is a shower niche? It's essentially just a recessed shelving area to keep your soap, shampoos, and anything else you might want to keep in your shower. Let's do it now, right now. When it comes to installing a Prova niche, it's pretty straightforward and it's about as simple as a niche could ever be.
Pretty good slow motion spin. Ho!
The first thing you'll notice when you open your Prova niche box is that it's pre-assembled, so it's very straightforward when it comes to installing. This one in particular is designed to be installed on 16-inch center studs, so it's really as simple as holding the niche up against the wall, making sure it's level, line it up with your studs, then tracing the outside and cutting it out. Once you have the inside of the Prova board cut out, it really is as easy as adding Prova seal, a few washers, and a few screws. At this point, check to make sure that the cutout is the right size and that your Prova niche fits in the cutout area. Then add some blocking underneath for some added support. Then grab your Prova seal, and because the Prova seal is also the waterproofing agent, make sure you give a healthy bead around the exterior of your cutout as well as on any of the supporting studs and structure. Now we'll be adding more Prova seal around the face of the cutout as well, but it's important that you get the waterproofing seal behind as well as on the surface of the niche. This is vital. Now that the niche is in place and sealed with Prova seal, we're gonna add some washers strategically on the corners and in the middle. We also like to throw one on the bottom just to be safe. At this point, you're gonna wanna look at the camera and snug them up nice and tight to the Prova board.
What do you think? Should we tape it off and keep it clean? Yeah, I know the answer. We're taping it again.
At this point, we're adding some more Prova seal to the seam just to make sure it's waterproof and to cover the screw holes and washers.
Is this really necessary? It is not.
Now the tape you see here is definitely not required, but as you'll see in the end, it does look super clean when you peel the tape off after you Prova seal. But again, you do not need to do this step. It can be as messy as you want. As long as you get full coverage on that seam and the washers, you're good to go. But come on, you gotta admit, it's pretty satisfying when you do it this way.
Oh, don't you just hate that?
Well, usually it's very satisfying, but the good news is, now you're done.
So unsatisfying. That's hard.
Well, there you have it. Take it away, me.
Just like that, a recessed niche. Now the easy part, tiling the entire bathroom. But you know how to do that, right?
Is it niche? 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 It's niche, right?
That's the one you opted to go with.
It's niche. It's a niche market.